MBA in Business Economics allows students to learn about various challenges in the service sector in the era of globalization and privatization. MBA in Business Economics allows students to gather knowledge of economic principles and learn about business related issues and get the best solution for them. MBA in Business Economics prepares graduate for a career in banking, economics, and development planning, and also journal management. MBA in Business Economics subjects are finance, marketing, human resource, operations, transport, applied economics. For admission in MBA in Business Economics, it is an essential course that meets the current trend of business world. Students in their undergraduate degree must obtain a minimum of 45% aggregate can apply for the course. Students must give the entrance exam that are required for admission. Additionally, there is no age limit for admission and therefore anyone can apply for the course. MBA in Business Economics stream, students learn about marketing, finance, organization design, human resource management, decision science, and operation management. It is second year in which the MBA in Business Economics course syllabus get different. Students do not have any difference from that of first year student of other MBA programs. The key topic covered in the course of MBA in Business Economics syllabus are business analytics and intelligence, business forecasting, infrastructure development, Indian and international perspectives, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. Multivariate data analysis also, automation also. MBA in Business Economics is a degree that consists of understanding business data, problem solving, business tactics, forecasting, and communications. MBA in Business Economics program prepare students in business and includes extensive coursework in basic business fundamentals such as accounting, finance, marketing, and strategy. Business economics work with organization and to help them and improve their process. Business economics student analyze to come up with new solution to business problems and help to introduce these system to business and their clients. Planning and analyzing data to develop their knowledge and skill and suggest new methods for its beneficial process. The work of business economics is related to the job role within a department. Project manager. Business economist can either work for a company to work on projects for their employer. The business economist involvement in a project can vary. They may not be present in the short term, coming up with new ideas and solutions to money problems in a particular projects. Business economist can be implemented in any industry to find a real-time solution to the various problems. This stream has its importance in business that can help you to drive your dreams. With increasing internet penetration, business economics has created its space to forecast and analyze data. After opting for an MBA in business economics, you can get employment opportunities for business analyst, market research analyst, economic consultant, financial analyst, bank managers, market research specialist, investment analyst, director of finance, stockbroker, insurance underwriter, risk manager, etc. So this is all about MBA in business economics. Thank you. Good evening.